Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. New Hampshire preparing for first major snowstorm of 2019. Shoppers picking up food supplies before weather hits. Granite Staters are getting ready for the first major snowstorm of 2019. At the Market Basket on Elm Street in Manchester, the milk was fully stocked on Thursday night, and the bread aisles still had options, but the selection was going down. Rock salt and snow shovels were also available. Most shoppers said it was about time for the first big storm of the season. I think we're due, one man said. It was long overdue, I guess, right? One woman said. We were waiting on it. Yes, I'm ready, another woman said. Just need to be home and warm. In Goffstown, the shelves inside Ace Hardware were filled with shovels and handheld ice melt dispensaries. A few snow blowers were left, and some large quantities of salt were still available for last minute preparations. It will be pretty hectic, employee John said. We will have a lot of people in here. A lot of these shovels will sell out for sure. Most people will wait till the last second. John, a property manager, said he won't wait until the last second and had his sanders ready. Tomorrow we are not expecting anything that big, just basically nuisance stuff in the morning. Salting, John said. I don't think we are going to be pushing any snow tomorrow, but Saturday into Sunday we are planning on a bigger event. We have to be ready. We are under contracts and we will be ready. And that did it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. And we want to hear from you. The question of the day is, are you ready for the big snowstorm of 2019? Comment below and let us know. We want to hear from you. And I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.